Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go through my March favorites. I'm really excited about all of the products I have in front of me. I love them so much. So we are going to get right into it. Also, the coloring has changed a little bit with my camera. I'm testing some things out. So if this doesn't really look that good, I'm so sorry. Please bear with me. So let's get started. We've got makeup, skincare, and then some healthy stuff, and then an app I want to share with you guys. So obviously we're going to do makeup first. So I have 3 products here that I have been really loving. The first one that I'm going to share with you, I actually didn't like the first time, or the first couple times I tried it. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So this took a little finessing for me. I like something that's like a medium coverage because I still want my skin to look like skin, and I was having trouble trying to figure out the right amount of product to use on my face because this is super full coverage and it's pretty matte. So I'm thinking in the summer this is going to be so good. I tried it in the winter and I think that's what the problem was. My skin was just really dry, and this is pretty matte, so it just didn't look that good. But I have figured out how I like to use this and I'm loving it. The one thing I love that it has a huge doe foot applicator. So really cool product, and it's an affordable product, which I always love. Actually, all the makeup products I have here are pretty affordable. The next one is the highlighter I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you can still see it. I've been wearing my makeup for a while and I've been sweating. This is just a sample, but it's by Model Co. and it's called Moonshine. So I actually got this like in an Ipsy, I believe, and I wasn't going to keep it because when you first look at it, it's got a lot of pink, so it's a marbled baked highlighter, and I'm like, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to wear this, but I took a chance and I swatched it, and it is so pretty. It has such a beautiful sheen to it. It really packs a punch, and it comes off really peachy, and I love it. This is such a great product for fair, light medium, and medium skin tones. This is something that I can wear when I'm at my palest and when I'm at my darkest, which is more of like a medium skin tone like right now. So I'm just gonna add this on. Super highlighty. I love this. It's just so perfect. It just works for me any shade that I am, and it is blinding, and it's affordable. Then we have the Butter Lipstick by ColourPop. This is a cream formula, and not only is the packaging so effing cute, it has little stars embossed in it. It's so beautiful. The formula is gorgeous. The color is so good for me. Just a really perfect nude on me. It's opaque without having to layer so much on. It feels super comfortable and it's affordable. I love this so much. Go pick this up. I think it's part of a specific collection, so I will link it down below if they still have it. But if they do have it, grab it because it is so good. Okay, let's do skincare. So, first thing is another sample, but this actually has been lasting me a while. It's the Sunday Riley CEO moisturizer. It's the C plus E Protect plus Repair moisturizer. This stuff is so nice. It has the most wonderful citrus smell, and it's one of those formulas where it is thick. It's not a gel. It's like a normal moisturizer, and it's like balmy on the skin without being a balm. Like, it's a normal moisturizer. It's so moisturizing. It really sinks in. Doesn't leave like a weird tackiness on your face or weird film. It's just so nice. So nice. So highly recommend this, even though it's really expensive, but if you can get your hands on a sample, go for it. Then I purchased my first Jeffree Star lip scrub, and it does not disappoint. I've had trouble with Jeffree Star products in the past, mainly highlighters. They aren't my fave. This is the first product that like I'm so obsessed with by him. Oh my god. Okay, so the flavor I got is watermelon gum, and it smells just like watermelon bubblicious gum, which totally brings me back to my childhood. I would get it every single road trip that we went on. And the other thing I like is that he has so many different flavors and super unique ones and really, really fun ones. So it was really kind of fun to just explore the different flavors I could get. But the thing I love about this is it's completely edible. It's a sugar-based scrub. As you can see, it kind of looks like a snowball. If you're not from, well, Maryland, I guess, you wouldn't really know what that is. It's kind of like it's basically a snow cone, but like super drenched in the syrup. And this is what it looks like. And it tastes good too, which is like, you can totally eat it and it tastes good. Wouldn't like recommend eating the whole thing, but you know, taste it's not that bad. So this is just great, and they're pretty affordable. Speaking of tasting good, I purchased something and it makes me a basic bitch, basically. So I purchased something from Sugar Bear Hair, and no, it's not the hair vitamins that everybody sells on Instagram. They actually came out with a woman's multivitamin, and I thought this would be my chance to check out Sugar Bear Hair in general. They always look so delicious when people sample them on Instagram, but I don't want anything to grow my nails out more or my hair more, because they grow enough as it is, and I get SNS on my nails, and I don't want it to grow out that fast, because then I gotta pay to redo it and stuff like that. So once they came out with just a multivitamin, I thought I should get my hands on that, also because I don't take one and I should be. These taste really good. It's like a berry flavor. You take 2 a day. It's really, really, really yummy. I wish I could eat more. And I think this has actually really helped me. I went to the doctors recently and got blood work done, just to see where like all my internal levels are at, like cholesterol and like all that kind of stuff. And I was vitamin D deficient when I did it back in 2016, and now my levels are perfect, and I think it has to do with these guys right here. This is my 3rd bottle, and I'm halfway done this, it looks like, so really has been helping me. And obviously this is something that you should talk to your doctor about before you try them, because you know, taking different medications might not react well with this. You know the drill. So if you're interested in those, maybe consult your doctor first, but they really helped me. Okay, last favorite is an app, and it is called Toddy, T-O-D-Y, kind of like tidy. So basically this is a cleaning helper app. So you have your area section right here, and what you do is you add your area, and you know, you can do kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, all that kind of stuff. I obviously have all my areas created, and then when you go into that, you can add tasks, what needs to be done in that specific location. So dusting, sweeping, cleaning, organizing, all that kind of stuff. You also have your specials area, you know, clean stainless steel, clean the dishwasher, that kind of stuff. And then you can see these little bubbles on the side, and that tells you when your task is due. So when I add a task, let's just say I need to dust the kitchen thoroughly. You have your task name, which you can obviously edit, and then you have frequency, and this is how often this should be done. So say I dusted today, in 3 weeks it'll remind me to dust again. And then it has things like active sections, so you can pause things, and then how much effort it takes. So it also takes into account for your day how many items you have due and what the effort is going to be with that. Like, are you gonna have a heavy cleaning day where you're gonna sweat a lot, or are you gonna have a light day? So I love this because taking care of a household can be super, super difficult. And this just kind of lays everything out in one app for me. So I can see what's due today. So I'll come home from work and I will see in my app that I have 13 things due. It alerts you with the little red circle, and I can go through and see what's due today. And the great thing about the frequency is everything you can set a different frequency for, so you don't have a ton of cleaning to do all in one day. So I might have to dust my bedroom one day and then clean the countertops in the kitchen the next. So not everything is gonna be due at once, which is so great. I love this app so much. I kind of had a freak out that led me to get this app. You do have to pay for it. It's around $6 or $7. But I was so overwhelmed with trying to control the cleanliness of my house and making sure every room and everything done. And I mean, like, when you have a home, even cleaning the baseboards is something you need to do. So this, I put all of my thoughts into this, everything I could possibly clean in this house, and it has just organized it all for me, and it divvies it out into different days, and it has just helped me so much. My sanity is like so much better. I love this app, especially now it's springtime. You got to get all that spring cleaning done, so this will really help you. Okay, enough of rambling about cleaning. We are done for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.